秒，秒，秒。
Seconds.
Seconds.
我们必须抓住每一分每一秒，才能赢得胜利。我们必须抓住每一分每一秒，才能赢得胜利。我们必须抓住每一分每一秒，才能赢得胜利。
We have to seize every minute and every second to win.
We have to seize every minute and every second to win.
不到最后一秒，我们还不知道谁是胜利者。不到最后一秒，我们还不知道谁是胜利者。不到最后一秒，我们还不知道谁是胜利者。
We don't know who the winner is until the last second.
We don't know who the winner is until the last second.
他是专家，几秒钟就解决了这个问题。他是专家，几秒钟就解决了这个问题。他是专家，几秒钟就解决了这个问题。
He was an expert and solved the problem in seconds.
He was an expert and solved the problem in seconds.
方式，方式，方式。
Way of doing something.
Way of doing something.
尽量去了解孩子，而不要用责骂的方式。尽量去了解孩子，而不要用责骂的方式。尽量去了解孩子，而不要用责骂的方式。
Try to understand the child as much as possible without scolding.
Try to understand the child as much as possible without scolding.
互联网技术的发展改变了学生的学习方式。互联网技术的发展改变了学生的学习方式。互联网技术的发展改变了学生的学习方式。
The development of Internet technology has changed the way of students learning.
The development of Internet technology has changed the way of students learning.
不合适的表达方式会引起误会。不合适的表达方式会引起误会。不合适的表达方式会引起误会。
Inappropriate expressions can cause misunderstandings.
Inappropriate expressions can cause misunderstandings.
受不了，受不了，受不了。
Cannot bear. Cannot stand.
Cannot bear. Cannot stand.
我受不了他的坏脾气。我受不了他的坏脾气。我受不了他的坏脾气。
I can't stand her bad temper.
I can't stand her bad temper.
我实在受不了他的无理取闹。我实在受不了他的无理取闹。我实在受不了他的无理取闹。
I really can't stand her unreasonableness.
I really can't stand her unreasonableness.
他天天吵吵闹闹，我真的受不了。他天天吵吵闹闹，我真的受不了。他天天吵吵闹闹，我真的受不了。
She makes a lot of noise every day, and I really can't stand it.
She makes a lot of noise every day, and I really can't stand it.
日记，日记，日记。
Diary. Journal.
Diary. Journal.
我每天都有写日记的习惯。我每天都有写日记的习惯。我每天都有写日记的习惯。
I have the habit of writing a diary every day.
I have the habit of writing a diary every day.
写日记可以提高你的写作能力。写日记可以提高你的写作能力。 写日记可以提高你的写作能力。
Keeping a journal can improve your writing skills.
Keeping a journal can improve your writing skills.
写日记可以锻炼自己的思维能力和表达能力。写日记可以锻炼自己的思维能力和表达能力。写日记可以锻炼自己的思维能力和表达能力。
Writing a diary can exercise your thinking and expression skills.
Writing a diary can exercise your thinking and expression skills.
安全，安全，安全。
Safe. Secure.
Safe. Secure.
过马路要注意安全。过马路要注意安全。过马路要注意安全。
Pay attention to safety when crossing the road.
Pay attention to safety when crossing the road.
车停在路边安全吗？车停在路边安全吗？车停在路边安全吗？
Is it safe to park on the side of the road?
Is it safe to park on the side of the road?
采取安全措施，以防万一。采取安全措施，以防万一。采取安全措施，以防万一。
Take safety measures, just in case.
Take safety measures, just in case.
密码，密码，密码。
Password.
Password.
密码太复杂，不容易记住。密码太复杂，不容易记住。密码太复杂，不容易记住。
The password is too complex and difficult to remember.
The password is too complex and difficult to remember.
密码太简单，不安全。密码太简单，不安全。密码太简单，不安全。
The password is too simple and insecure.
The password is too simple and insecure.
我把开门的密码忘了，怎么办？我把开门的密码忘了，怎么办？我把开门的密码忘了，怎么办？
I forgot the password to open the door. What should I do?
I forgot the password to open the door. What should I do?
谢谢观看。